In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add the menu tabs to your blog. If you notice right now, the blog doesn't have a menu tab, so we're going to add it. See, we're going to add it just to make it easier for you and your readers to find what you're looking for. So the first step that we're going to do is we're going to come here and we're going to go to Pages. Notice how the home page is already in there. The home page is a default page. So what we're going to do is we're going to click here and we're going to add new pages. Now notice once you click there, you have two options. First option, you could add a blank page and you could just add your content to it. Or the second option, you could add a web address. I'm going to show you how to do both of them. First, with the blank page, we select it and let's just call this the About page. And the reason why they call it blank page is because in here you could just type in your content. So let's just say coming soon. And let's publish it. Now you see it's already About page. The next step that you do is right here where it says shows pages, you actually want to tell Blogger where you want them to position the pages. So again, you get two options here. You could either put them on the top or put it on the side. So for right now, let's select the top and then we click Save the Arrangement. Now if we refresh our screen, you see that now the About page is there. If I click on it, it'll show me my page and it'll say exactly what I added in the content, coming soon. Now if we go back, let's just go back to home and let's go back to our pages menu. So now here, if I change it to the side links and save the arrangement, this is what happens. Let's refresh the screen. Notice how it moved the menu from up here and now it put it on the side. Okay. Once it put it on the side, you could still go to your layout menu and you could move it around. Okay, you see where it is, pages. You could actually move it to one of the sidebars and then I'll show you. Refresh the screen. Notice that now we moved it over here. Okay, so going back, let's say we go back to pages. We're going to change this to the top tabs. We're happy having them on the top. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a page, a web address this way. What we want to do is I want to be able, you see I have my archives here and each with pictures and all the information that you need. And notice how each one of them, they have labels. So let's say we want to find a specific label. That's what we want the page in the menu to bring up. So what we do is we select web addresses. Now it's telling me, it's asking me for the page title and for the link or the URL to where I want my menu tab to be directed to. So let's call this, I have some of the tabs, so let's call this design. And on the URL, what you're going to do is you're going to have the name of your blog / the word search / the word label / the name of the search label that you want to find. So in this case we want to find the word design and we click save. Notice how again it created the page. Notice how it's editable and you can also delete it. We're going to change this to top tab and we're going to save the arrangement. Now when we go back to our site and we refresh the screen, notice how we have the About, which is bringing me the blank page that we created. But notice now we have the Designed menu. When we click on it, it's showing me posts with the label design. Okay, so we go back to home and we go to layout, and I just want to show you pages is up here now. You also have the option if you edit your pages You have the option of moving around, what pages to show, the page order, if you want to have the design first, home, design, about, you could drag it around, and then once you're happy with what you have, then you could say save. You save your arrangement again, and now we go back to the page, refresh the screen, and notice that the design is first now. And as simple as that. That's how you create a menu that's how you add a menu to your blog.